Hello, gentlefolk. Today we are going to briefly discuss our book choices for September 1st through October 14th. This is going to be an independent reading book of your choice that is going to go along with our Unit 2 theme of memoirs. So we are, as a class, going to be reading the narrative of the life of Frederick Douglass, but you are also going to start at the beginning of September, which is about halfway through our Unit 1, and you will find a memoir of your choice that you will have about a month and a half to complete. So in our Canvas announcements and on a Canvas page, I will link this book choice form. You are going to fill it out with your last name, your first name, the title of the book that you want, the author, a link to the books either through Amazon, Goodreads, or New York Times, and the number of pages. So the best way to figure out what book you want to read, if you don't have something in mind, and keep in mind it should be something you have not read before, okay? I personally am a fan of Goodreads, so I just went and Googled Goodreads memoir list. You do not need an account. And you can see here memoir books, memoir book lists. I selected lists, and there's lots of different ones, but you really want to focus on something that is memoir based. And this is just one of many lists. You can see lots of different options here, and these are rated by however many people with however many points. You can see on a scale of 5 how many stars they receive. You can click on each individual book and it will give you a breakdown of what that book is about, etc. So this is Goodreads. You can also use Amazon bestsellers. So you can do bestsellers and memoirs, the Amazon bestsellers, bestsellers and biographies and memoirs, whatever you want to do. I click the second one, and that gives me kind of list of memoirs here, as well as some autobiographies. And this one right here is probably not a memoir. So just keep in mind when you are selecting something that it is actually a memoir. You can click on it and get some more information about the book. Okay, finally you can go to the New York Times. I typed in New York Times memoirs. It came up with a list of some. We have the 50 best memoirs of the past 50 years, 7 new memoirs to read this season. That was for 2021. Chicago Public Library, Barnes & Noble, so on and so forth. I mean, there's lots of different options. Or you may have one in mind that you would like to select. So make sure that whatever text you get, it is one that you can get, whether you purchase, you get from your local public library, you can get it from your home campus library. If there's something you are just dying to read and you don't know how to get it, please just let me know and I will see what we can do for you. But just keep in mind that this does need to be at an appropriate reading level. So books that you read in 6th grade are not really going to cut it here, right? You need to actually pick books that are appropriate for 16, 17, 18-year-olds, right? And if you have any questions about this, please let me know. Fill out this form by the end of the week. So today is the 15th of August, and the end of the week is the 21st of August. So make sure it's filled out by then. Thanks, guys.